Thank you, Creator, for all you do, all you have done, all you continue to do, and all that is to come. I want y'all to see it, man. It's like these motherfucking gnats to just come from out of nowhere, bro, just to be flying by the window, bro. That's they little irobot birds. I don't know if y'all can see them, but they up there, bro. They look like gnats. I see them, them motherfuckers up there, bro. They flying trying to get their chemical shit to cover up my section, bro, because they don't want me. I guess they didn't like that rain shit earlier. I know they didn't. Fuck them. They burn devices up there. And they trying to drag that shit over here. I don't know if y'all can see that shit. A bunch of motherfuckers today. They look like 6. The 6 is 7. It's 8 of them, because 2 of them split off and went a different way. They getting their little, their little signals. They flying around that shit to put their signal in. And then they are going to drag that shit right there, where they flying at, over here in my section. I didn't clear it out. Oh man, this shit's funny the motherfucker to me. They gonna keep fucking around, bro. I don't give a fuck what they do. Fuck them. Fuck the guys. Fuck the government. All that shit. Fuck them. All these idiots that's around here too, they think I don't know. These motherfuckers that's around here, they think I don't know that they part of it. But I do. They think I don't know that they part of it, but I do. You know, and if they keep that shit up, they gonna know pretty soon that I know that they a part of it. You know, and that's all I'm gonna say about that. Just wanted to show y'all the ignorance of the God people. Zoom in on that little technology bird today. Now they just start splitting off. It's only 3 of them up right now. They start splitting off. They gonna start dragging that shit to the areas where they want to take that smoke shit too. I'm out of here. Thank you, Creator. I love you. You know I love you. Love y'all. Call out to Creator. Creator is the truth. Do you speak it?